Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the realm of modern interior design, the minimalist approach has gained significant traction, and nowhere is this more evident than in the open-plan kitchen. Combining functionality with simplicity, the minimalist open-plan kitchen has become a hallmark of contemporary living spaces. This design concept revolves around the idea of maximizing space, minimizing clutter, and creating an environment that fosters both efficiency and aesthetic appeal. At its core, the open-plan kitchen eliminates barriers between the kitchen, dining, and living areas, creating a seamless flow of space. This not only enhances the sense of openness but also encourages social interaction and connectivity. The absence of walls allows for unrestricted movement, making the kitchen a central hub where family and friends can gather and engage in various activities while cooking, dining, or simply lounging. Central to the minimalist open-plan kitchen is the principle of simplicity. Clean lines, sleek surfaces, and uncluttered spaces characterize this design aesthetic. The color palette tends to be neutral, with white, gray, and beige tones dominating the scene. This choice of colors not only amplifies the sense of space but also creates a serene and calming atmosphere. Storage solutions play a pivotal role in maintaining the minimalist aesthetic of the open-plan kitchen. To keep clutter at bay, ample storage is incorporated seamlessly into the design. This often includes concealed cabinets, pull-out drawers, and built-in shelves, allowing for efficient organization of kitchen essentials while keeping them out of sight when not in use. Another hallmark of minimalist open-plan kitchens is the focus on functionality. Every element is carefully selected and positioned to serve a purpose while maintaining a streamlined appearance. Multifunctional furniture, such as kitchen islands with built-in storage and seating, further enhances the practicality of the space. In terms of materials, the minimalist open-plan kitchen often favors natural and durable materials such as wood, stone, and stainless steel. These materials not only contribute to the clean and contemporary look but also ensure longevity and ease of maintenance. Lighting also plays a crucial role in accentuating the minimalist design of the open-plan kitchen. Ample natural light is preferred, achieved through large windows and strategically placed skylights. Artificial lighting, such as recessed ceiling lights and pendant fixtures, is used to complement natural light and create a warm and inviting ambience, especially during the evening hours. When it comes to appliances, the minimalist approach advocates for integrated or concealed appliances wherever possible. Built-in ovens, cooktops, and refrigerators seamlessly blend into the cabinetry, maintaining the streamlined look of the kitchen. This not only enhances the visual appeal but also maximizes counter space, making the kitchen feel more spacious and uncluttered. The minimalist open-plan kitchen is not just a design choice, it's a lifestyle. It encourages mindfulness and intentionality in both design and living. By stripping away the excess and focusing on what truly matters, it creates a space that promotes relaxation, creativity, and connection. Moreover, the minimalist approach to the open-plan kitchen is not devoid of personality. While the design may appear simple, it provides ample opportunities for personalization and expression. From unique artwork to statement light fixtures, homeowners can infuse their own sense of style into the space, creating a kitchen that is both functional and reflective of their individual tastes. In conclusion, the minimalist open-plan kitchen represents a harmonious fusion of form and function. It embodies the essence of modern living, where simplicity reigns supreme and every element serves a purpose. By embracing this design philosophy, homeowners can create a kitchen that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also conducive to a balanced and fulfilling lifestyle. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!